Hey everyone, it's your girl, Ayabunda, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of sweet potatoes. Get ready for a flavor-packed adventure with not one, not two, but 5 incredible recipes using this versatile veggie. Sweet potatoes aren't just delicious, they're nutritional powerhouses. Packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, they're a healthy and delicious way to satisfy your cravings. Whether you're a seasoned sweet potato enthusiast or a curious newbie, I've got something special for everyone today. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. First up, we're starting with a classic sweet potato fries. These aren't your average soggy fries, guys. We're talking crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, perfectly seasoned goodness. The best part? They're incredibly easy to make. Just chop those sweet potatoes into fries, toss them with olive oil, sprinkle on your favorite seasonings, and pop them in the oven. While they're baking, your kitchen will be filled with the most amazing aroma. Trust me, you'll be hooked from the first bite. Next, we're warming things up with a soul-soothing sweet potato soup. This soup is perfect for those chilly evenings when you need a warm hug from the inside out. We'll start by sautéing some onions and garlic, then add in our chopped sweet potatoes and vegetable broth. Let it simmer until the sweet potatoes are tender, then blend it all up until smooth and creamy. For an extra touch of indulgence, swirl in some coconut milk before serving. This soup is so flavorful and satisfying, you won't believe it's healthy. Get ready for the ultimate crowd pleaser, sweet potato casserole with a twist. This isn't your grandma's casserole unless your grandma is awesome in the kitchen, of course. We're taking this classic dish to the next level with a pecan crumble topping that will have everyone begging for seconds. The sweetness of the sweet potatoes pairs perfectly with the crunchy, buttery pecan topping. This casserole is the perfect side dish for your holiday gatherings or potlucks. It's guaranteed to be a showstopper. Who says pancakes are just for breakfast? These fluffy sweet potato pancakes are perfect any time of day. They're packed with nutrients and flavor, making them a delicious and healthy way to start your morning. We'll mix mashed sweet potato into our pancake batter, adding a touch of sweetness and a gorgeous golden hue. Then, we'll cook them to golden perfection on a griddle. Top them with your favorite pancake toppings, fresh fruit, a dollop of yogurt, or a drizzle of maple syrup, and enjoy. Yes, you read that right, sweet potato brownies. These fudgy, decadent brownies are the perfect way to end our sweet potato journey. Don't knock it till you try it. Sweet potato adds a moist, fudgy texture to these brownies that you won't believe. We'll combine melted dark chocolate, mashed sweet potato, and our other brownie ingredients, then bake until gooey and delicious. These brownies are so rich, chocolatey, and satisfying, no one will ever guess they're secretly packed with nutrients. And there you have it, 5 delicious and healthy sweet potato recipes that will tantalize your taste buds. I hope these recipes inspire you to get creative in the kitchen and explore new ways to enjoy this versatile veggie. Don't forget to give these recipes a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. Happy cooking!